Hi folks, magandang hapon. It's a very gloomy first day. Okay? Mukhang babagsak ang ulan. But anyway, regardless, meron lang akong gustong i-share sa inyo. Para sa mga 25 to 40-year-old, yuppies or young urban professionals, meron lang akong piece of advice sa inyo. Kasi yan po ay dinaanan ko na. I'm already in my 60s. I have retired from my corporate work. So para sa inyo, between 25 to 40 years old na empleyado, whether you're occupying a good position as a manager, or nasa top executive kayo, or nasa middle rank or lower rank, this is my message for you guys. No? Employment is good while it lasts. Pagkatapos ng employment, then you have to think what to do next. Because if you retire at 60, and you expect to live, if you expect to live up to 80, you still have 20 years, no? So, anong gagawin nyo? Karamihan, isa na ako doon, nag-iisip magnegosyo pag-retire. Alright? Anong klaseng negosyo? Traditional businesses. Alright? Lahat ng mga nakikita mong negosyo sa mga barangay nyo, yan. Chances of survival, slim. Okay? Ewan ko ba? Iba ang business landscape ngayon eh. Unang-una, lahat ng tao ngayon, kung gusto kumain, mall ang punta. Bakit? For so many reasons. Convenience, number one. Parking space, aircon. Mag-sari-sari store ka, or mag-mini grocery ka, after a while, may kita mo sa harap or sa tabi mo, may tumatayong 7-Eleven. Diba? Yung mga ganun. So, anong gagawin mo? So, this is my advice to you guys, habang empleyado pa kayo. The best thing, the best business, while you're still employed, while you're still working hard sa employment mo, habang gumigising ka ng, before sunrise at umuwi ka sa bahay, after sunset na, ibig sabihin madilim na. Na-experience ko po yan eh. Aalis ka ng bahay, wala pang araw, uuwi ka ng bahay, wala ng araw, and yung time mo para sa family mo, very limited eh. Pagod ka na eh, okay? So, anong next best thing, based on my experience, is you go into a business that will allow you to work habang nagtatrabaho kayo, habang empleyado kayo. Anong business yun? Hindi naman po pwedeng traditional business kasi kailangan mong hands-on, di ba? So, it's no other than direct selling. And direct selling has already evolved into leverage business. Kung yung mga ibang brands nagla-leverage na, ibig sabihin, lahat ng kanto nandoon sila, leverage eh. Dinuduplicate na yung sarili nila eh. Lahat ng bangko, lahat ng insurance, lahat ng sasakyan, lahat ng restaurants, pansinin mo, leverage eh, kung nasaan-saan sila. You can also do the same thing sa direct selling. Nag-leverage na rin ang direct selling. Nag-evolve na rin eh. Hindi na siya yung traditional selling lang eh. It has become a leverage business which is called, guess what? Network marketing, di ba? Okay. Sasabihin nyo, scam. Okay, believe it or not, it is not. As long as you choose the right company, you choose the right leaders, you choose the right management, you choose the right product, you can never go wrong. Anyway, think about it. Okay? Magtratrabaho kayo for 40 years, assuming mag-uumpisa kayo mag-work at 20 or 21, and you spend 40 years of your life. So by the time 60 ka na, magre-retire ka na, di ba? So why not work hard with your business as well habang empleyado kayo? Nothing wrong. By the time you retire, after 40 years, yung business, yung direct selling na pinalaki nyo, na pinagtsagaan ninyo, by that time, your network is already big na hindi nyo na problemahin kung ano yung gagawin nyo for the next 20 years. Yun yung magiging retirement work ninyo, and besides that, ang laki na po ng passive income nyo. So, ang cost po dito is time. Habang bata pa kayo, you do it. Huwag nyo akong susundin na pagdating ng 60, ngayon pala ako magdi-direct selling MLM. Not wrong, not too late, pero sinasabi ko, habang bata pa kayo, habang kumikita pa kayo sa employment nyo, build something on the side. Kasi based on my experience, pag tapos na kayo sa private employment, that's it. Pension, SSS, fine. Government, pwede. Kung ano yung last sweldo nyo, yun ang pension nyo. Otherwise, anong gagawin nyo? Diba? So think about it. If you have, this desire, kahit desire, or wish, or ambition, let's explore on that. Get in touch with me. Nandiyan dyan po yung number ko at yung email ko sa profile ko. Reach out. Let's explore. Let me guide you on how to do it, and we do it together. Thank you, and stay healthy.